Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove eye bags easily. So let's get started and stay with me. Open your photo to your Photoshop. Then Ctrl J for layer copy. Select this first background layer and create new layer. New layer must be set between two layers. Select layer 1 and mouse right click and convert to smart object. Now go to filter then other than high pass. Here give high pass radius 4.8 then OK. Now from blending select to overlay. Now hold Alt key and click between layer 1 and layer 2 middle position. When come to this symbol, this time select layer 2 and select eyedropper tool and select sample size 5 by 5 average. And sample select to current and below. This time select brush tool, and select use skin sample by hold press Alt key and just one click for select your skin sample. Opacity and flow must be decreases. Now easily remove your eye bags. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Support me and share my video. Thank you.